Hello students, this is Joydeep sir. Today we will discuss on chapter 1 rational numbers. First sum is to prove commutative property and closure property. For proof closure property, we can use the sum of these two numbers. Then 5 9 LCM 45, 5 7 is 45, 9 is 45, 9 3 is 27, 9 5 is 45, 5 7 is 35. So sum will be 62 by 45, which is a rational number. So closure property holds on addition for rational numbers. Next one is 7 by 9 plus 3 by 5. Just interchange the numbers. And sum also 62 by 45. So left hand side value and right hand side value will same. So this is commutative property holds on addition for rational numbers. Next sum. This property is called associative property. So left hand side value and right hand side value, we need to prove this is equal. So left hand side value 2 4 LCM 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 4 1 is 4, 1 1 is 1. This is 7 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now 4 6 LCM is 12. So 4 3 is 12, 3 7 is 21, 6 2 is 12, 2 7 is 14. Sum is 35 by 12. And right hand side value, give a bracket here, and 4 6 LCM is 12, 4 3 is 12, 3 1 is 3, 6 2 is 12, 2 7 is 14. So sum is 17 by 12. Now 2 and 12 LCM is 12, 2 6 is 12, and 6 3 is 18, and 12 1 is 12, 17 1 is 17. So sum is 35 by 12. So left hand side value and right hand side value will be same. So associative property holds on rational numbers for addition. Now we need to find the additive inverse. So additive inverse, we can find the interchange the symbol. Just change the symbol. 4 by 5 additive inverse is minus 4 by 5, and this one is this minus here, so it will be plus. Minus 1 by minus 9 is 1 by 9, so it will be minus 1 by 9. So now this property is called additive identity, because 0 is additive identity. When we add 0 with any number, then answer will be that number, and this is called commutative property. Previously we done this. It is commutative property. Next, rearrange these numbers and add. So denominator is here 7 and here 7, so we rearrange this and this, come close to this, and this here. LCM of 7, send 5 minus 4, and LCM will be 8 and 9 minus 3. So 3 by 1, 5 minus 4 is 1 by 7, and 9 minus 3 is 6 by 8. After calculate, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 3 by 4, and 1 by 7 plus 3 by 4. Where 7 by 7 and 4 LCM 28. 7 4 is 28, 4 1 is 4, 4 7 is 28, 7 3 is 21. So it is 25 by 28. Next one is to verify the following: minus of minus x equal to x for x equal to 3 by 5. Now left hand side value minus of minus 3 by 5, which is minus minus plus 3 by 5, and right hand side value x, put the value of x, so it will be 3 by 5. So left hand side value and right hand side value equal, verified. Number 7, negative of minus 4 by 11 is 4 by 11, and additive inverse of that number is 4 by 11 is minus 4 by 11. So it is the answer. Additive inverse of 3 by minus 7 is 3 by 7, just change the symbol. And negative of 7 by 3 is minus 7 by 3, put a negative sign before this number. Then sum this number and this number, sum 3 by 7 minus 7 by 3. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 7 3 is 21, 3 3 is 9, and 3 7 is 21, 7 7 is minus 49. So it will be minus 40 by 21. It is the answer. Next one, 5 by 7 plus 0 is 5 by 7. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. subtraction of two rational numbers is always a rational number. So closure property holds on subtraction for rational numbers. Negative of minus 5 by 4 is 5 by 4. Sum of a rational number and its additive inverse is 0. Just remember this. Thank you.